Hello, powerful, positive people. My name is Eric Michael, aka Eric the Tech Mind, and I help people get over the tech headache that comes along with trying to start your online business or help your business grow. Welcome to the show. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about why everyone should have a website. If you have an online business, then you're going to need a space, a virtual space for your online business to live. For example, if you were building a house, then you would need to buy a plot of land to actually build your house on. It'll also help you organize your thoughts and your ideas so that you can get super, super clear. Now, what's great about the internet is that it is always working 24/7, 365 days a year, which means that your website can act like a virtual assistant, constantly showing your resume to anybody who may be interested. Also, did you know that all business is merely just a bunch of conversations? So if you want to get really good at business, you need to be really good at talking with people, and you need to be really comfortable having conversations. Since business is all about networking, your website can help you reach more people. The internet is amazing in that way. No longer are we tied to the local people around us. We can now reach the world via the World Wide Web. And again, having a website will provide laser focus on your target audience so you can turn those audience members into potential customers or potential buyers, therefore growing your business, making some money, and therefore saving the day. That is it for me on this time. I'll catch you guys next week. Have a good one, and be sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tech tutorials. Catch you next time. Just wanted to remind you to go ahead and grab your free GrooveFunnels account. If you don't already have one, you can use my link below. Also wanted to remind you that the sale price is going away December 10th. You will no longer be able to buy the lifetime access, but you can get it right now for $19.97. After that, it will be going up to $2.99 a month. Groovy, baby. All right, guys, catch you later. Have a good week.